Hello friends, I am Talukdar from AV Excellence Pune. We are going to unbox a Bowers Wilkins Pi8 earbuds. Now what is Pi8 earbuds? Just in 62,000 you get a massive product. The product is developed by the engineers, those who have made the Pi8 headphones. So the same Pi8 you get in earbuds also. Now this Pi8 has packed with features, like it has a 12 carbon cone speaker which gives you an excellent mids, excellent highs with bass. You get the entire frequency range. It's an absolute audiophile headphone. Now these audiophile headphones, what it does, if you see, it has a wireless charging. The audiophile headphone also gives you quite a lot of features like an active noise cancellation. Now what is this active noise cancellation? You'll see most of the other products, they have active noise cancellation. It cancels all the noise. This is not like that. It adopts itself with an ambient noise. So you get a perfect combination of both. The active noise cancellation works excellent in this. Now let's see what is there in this box. They come in various colors. Quite a lot of attractive colors are available. So let's see what is there inside this absolutely stunning earbuds. Okay, this is this way. Bowers Wilkins Pi8. Okay, this is what is there in this. Let us see this later on. Let me see this. What is this? Okay, this is the case. Wow, what a color. Excellent. So these is for left. This is a right one. So you have to just put them quite comfortably. This has a charging case. This is a charging case. You can charge it through USB. You can charge it wireless. And at the same time, if you charge it once, it has a playtime of almost how much? See, it's written here, it has a playtime of almost 20 hours. That's more than enough for a day. This is the box which it comes. Now let us see what is there inside. Okay, it comes with a cable, USB cable, USB-C. This comes with an adapter, USB 2, and let me see what is there inside this. Warranty. So you have to read this to claim warranty. And this you can scan and find out all details of this product. Happy listening, friends. Do visit our store, that is AV Excellence Pune, for a live demo. You can purchase from AV Excellence Stores Pune, and if you want to purchase it online, all these products, B&W earbuds, are available at online purchase, that is avstore.in. Do visit our website. Thank you. Happy listening.